Hello, what's up? I just got my COVID vaccine here. Here's my card. Ah, it's raining outside, but oh, here we go. COVID vaccine, and then there's my name. Alright, so let's try to investigate if this one has an effect on me. A lot of my friends have been vaccinated, and most of them are suffering body aches, joint pains. Some have the fever, but let's see if this one has an effect or side effect on me. Hope not. I have a lot of plans tomorrow for my work, but let's see. Alright, today is March 24. Oh yeah. Hello, good morning everyone. This is actually my first day from the date I was vaccinated. Well, technically it's not yet more than 24 hours. I was vaccinated yesterday around 5 p.m. and last night I did some work until 2 a.m. so my body is kind of a bit heavy right now. I'm not sure if this is part of the side effects of the vaccine. And again, the vaccine brand that was injected to me is AstraZeneca. My body feels a bit heavy. I'm not really sure if this is because I slept around 2 a.m. this last night, and then I woke up around 6, or actually it's 5:30 in the morning. So I just had a few sleep when I had a lot of things to do yesterday. I went to jail for work, and then I went to the Department of Health for the vaccination, and went home, lied down for a bit because of my scoliosis. It was very painful. And then did some work until 2 a.m. and I only slept for a few hours. So yeah, right now I feel a bit heavy and it feels warm inside, but when I touch my my body, my neck, it really feels just normal. It's just like from the inside it's a bit warmer. Yeah. So let's see. Let's check within the day if there are still some symptoms that I'll be feeling. But as of now, I'm feeling good. I just took a bath. I can't go out yet because it's raining heavily outside and I don't have an umbrella. Okay, this is day one. Let's see. Right. Currently it's 9:30 in the morning, and I'm kind of feeling heavy right now. I think my body temperature is building up. I don't want to go to the body temperature measuring machine. The guard might might get notice of it and then comprehend me for that. So yeah, I can feel it. I'm getting hotter. Yeah. Hotter. Yeah, so my body temperature is rising. And let's see how this one goes for the day. So as of now it's 9:30. That's the status. And then also my head is feeling a bit dizzy, having slight of a headache. I'm not taking any paracetamols. I'll try to endure this without taking any medicine. Alright, so let's see. Alright, time check. It's 10:46 in the morning, and I woke up normally. I went to the office and slightly felt the heaviness of my body, and my head starts to ache, and my body temperature starts to rise as well. And around 10 o'clock, I decided to go home. I cannot work properly there because the AC is very damn cold and I'm having chills. Although I have a jacket with me, but it's not enough. I'm still having body aches and I cannot take this anymore. But again, I'm not gonna take paracetamols or any medicine. I'll go ahead and do this. I just need to rest. I only ate like a sandwich today and then a little fresh milk. Oh yeah, so let's see how it goes It seems that the side effect is progressing. Hopefully it's not gonna be that much, but here we go. Let's check later. Time check. It is 5:15. At ako po ay bagsak. Kaya ako na mag-English. I'm down with the sickness. Sakit ng ulo. Sakit ng katawan. Pati scoliosis ko. Sakit. Ay. Sana okay na to bukas. Sakit talaga. Aray. Hindi ako makabangon na maayos. Ang bigat ng katawan ko. Tsaka sakit ang ulo ko. Hindi naman nawala yung panlasa ko. Andyan pa naman. Kakainom ko lang ng gatas siya. Kumain ako ng sandwich. Nalalasahan ko pa naman ng pagkain. Technically, hindi naman siya COVID eh. Side effect lang. Grabe sakit sa katawan ko. Vlog ulit mamaya. Hello everyone, time check, it's 8 in the evening. I still have body pains. I still have fever. My head hurts so much. Okay, I really do hope I'll be okay tomorrow. There are things that I want to work on. Okay. It's so far now. Let's see what's gonna happen tomorrow. Ay. Morning everyone. Time check. It's 7 in the morning. And I don't have any fake fever anymore. But my body still aches so much. I still have body pains all over me. Especially my scoliosis. It really hurts, man. It hurts so bad. It really hurts. Yeah, I still have headaches, but I'm not hot anymore. Don't have any fever. Few more rests. I'll be fine, I'm sure. Yay, let's check it later again. Time check, it's 11:45. So, di ako nag-agahan. Wala akong ganang kumain. I have no appetite for food whatsoever. But I don't have fever anymore. Still have body pains, especially my back for my scoliosis. Some joints and the injection. The area where I got injected, it's still sores. Yeah, so I think I'm feeling better compared to yesterday. And also, yung panlasa kong pait. Para talagang nilagnat ako. Yung mataas na lagnat talaga. Yung 38 something. Na mapait yung dila mo. Wala kang ganang kumain. Yun lang. So, it's already this is day 2. And lunchtime. And I could not say na magaling na ako kasi masakit pa talaga katawan ko. Yung mga joints ko, tuhod ko, siko ko, ang hirap tumayo. Saka sakit na likod ko talaga. Pero wala na ako lagnat. Okay, let's check later ulit. Alright, final time check siguro. Today, it's 6:09. Yung oras. Dito nyo ba? Basta yan. 6:09 ng gabi. Second day from the date that I was injected for the AstraZeneca COVID vaccine. So, syempre hindi ako naligo. Yan, lagkit na ng ulo ko. Napaka-oily na mukha ko. Around 1 p.m. today, we had a meeting sa company ko, and then we did it online meeting. And then may konting headache pa ako nung time na yon, mga alaunang, alas 3. Ngayon, medyo wala na. Yung masakit lang talaga sa akin is yung scoliosis part ko sa likod. I'm not sure if it was greatly affected kasi nga joint areas ko masakit. Tapos yung dito yung sa kung saan ako tinurukan, medyo masakit din pag gumagamit ako ng force. So, yun. I would say, happy ako dahil nilagnat ako, nagkaroon ako ng body pains. Kasi ibig sabihin po nun is that the vaccine is working and my body reacted to it. It means that, it's working. So, hopefully, hindi talaga ako magkaka-COVID. Now, the biggest challenge for me right now is that I'm planning to go back to Bohol, to travel to Bohol next week, and then I'm not sure if during my swab test I would get a positive result or not, because vaccines are somewhat the virus itself being neutralized, no, para magkaroon ng panlaban yung katawan natin. Well, tingnan natin. I plan to go a swab test this Monday. Today is Saturday, Friday. So may Saturday, Sunday, then Monday. Hopefully hindi siya mag-positive para makatravel ako. And makaspend ako ng Holy Week doon sa family ko. Right, so that's the timeline of my suffering. Not really suffering, but the side effects of AstraZeneca vaccine, COVID vaccine for me. I would recommend everyone to take the vaccine for your safety. Pag available na siya sa lahat. As of now kasi yung mga frontliners lang muna. Gaya namin yung mga tuturukan. So, yeah. Salamat sa DOH dahil sila yung nag-arrange ng pagturok sa amin. Maraming salamat and thanks for watching. Bye bye.